Gentlemen, today we are going to talk about a topic that every guy should be concerned with, and it's called hygiene. Guys, there's no excuse to not look your best. Again, we're all born with qualities and faults and flaws, but we have to try to highlight those good things we have. Maybe you have amazing hair. I wish I had more. Maybe you got a great build. You know, we can always keep improving is what I'm trying to say. And as a guy, especially as a single guy, you want to try to look your best. You want to try to be your best. Now again, we all run into times where we don't feel our best. But guys, hygiene is not something we need to sacrifice on. It's not. So you need a couple things in your arsenal if you want to go ahead and try to look your best. One, get a good hairdresser, right? Okay, some of you guys got amazing hair, I have friends who have great head of hair, and I'm like, why don't you go see my hairdresser and get hooked up, right? Nah, just throw a ball cap on. To each their own. Gentlemen, you need a couple things. You need this. Link is in the description. This is an awesome beard trimmer, body trimmer, whatever you want to trim with it, you can do with this thing. Porcelain blade or ceramic blade, multiple speeds, 28 bucks. This thing is awesome. I did get this as part of a sponsorship deal, but I don't know why I waited so long to pick one up. I had one years ago, and I went and bought one of the corded ones. It's absolutely garbage. This thing will get your beard down to 1 millimeter, adjustments to 3 millimeter, and you have the guards, everything else for shaping, and if you want, use it to have your hair longer, whatever, you have a longer beard, different attachments. No brainer, guys. This is by Okupa. Link is in description. Next product you need, gentlemen, is this. This is called the back blade. Guys, there's no excuse to have a hairy back. I know, it sucks. It's not something we all want to admit or talk about. I've never met a woman who likes it. I never met a woman who sees a guy get out of that hot tub looking like a wet Chihuahua or Golden Retriever and say, Guys, 30 bucks, 30 bucks, life-changing. It's like a back massager. It's like a back brush. It's a back scratcher. You won't cut yourself. 5 minutes, silky smooth. One other thing you guys need, okay? Now maybe the watches isn't your thing. Maybe maybe you don't want to have a nice watch in your wrist, and that's okay. But there's no excuse in today's day and age to not have a bottle of this. Maybe not this exact brand. This is an awesome sweet tobacco fragrance by the company 1821 Man-Made. They have body washes, very boozy, very tobacco, very manly. Guys, this is not your L'Oreal. This is not your Dove. Their products are man-made. They're for the men. They're masculine. They smell great, and you'll smell great. You'll get compliments left and right. Check out 1821 Man-Made. Awesome products. Link is in the description. So, you got your beard trimmer or your body trimmer, your back blade, nice bottle of cologne, a watch, whether you like to wear a watch or not. And those are really the main things you need. And a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Take care of yourself, guys. Moisturize. Try to look your best. Get these products. They're in the description. There's no excuse not to look your best. Again, that's all subjective, but you'll feel better. Trust me. Alright guys, have a wonderful day and take care.